Cheeto. Hi, baby. Yeah, I know. I have all the cornstarch, baby. Anyways, welcome back to Food 63. Well, my YouTube channel, but also Food 63. As always, this is just stating that every month on the Facebook page Food 63, we run a friendly competition where we set stipulations to cook by, and you make whatever dish you want while using whatever's in the stipulations. And at the end of the 1 week, 2 week open time for the competition, people can comment their food in a post that has this video in it, and other people will vote on it. Whoever wins that gets the most likes will be featured as the banner and the page profile picture for the rest of that month, as well as the posting their food and their description at the top of the page. Completely friendly, anyone can join. It's all for good fun. There's no such thing as somebody with too little skill or too much skill. Doesn't matter. So, as always, we are with the ever so lovely Erin. I'm actually going to stand behind the camera so I can see where it's actually pointing. And she's going to inform us what is the stipulation for this month, the month of November.
So for the month of November, the food challenge is going to be an apple related item. So anything you want to make that has apples in it, possibly a pie or dumpling.
She's being really cute.
Apple crisp, whatever.
You can even...
It could be sweet or savory.
Yeah, you could shove an apple up a pig's ass and roast it. We don't care.
You could do pork chops or pork loin with apples or apple coleslaw.
Apple coleslaw is good.
Anything. Yes. So move over, pumpkins. It is apples' time to shine.
Hell yeah, I feel it. You just triggered a whole bunch of people, but that's okay.
Or
they
if
deserve
you want
it.
to include apples and pumpkins together, that's okay. As long as we know the apples are included in your dish. Have fun. I know you just squeaked. Come on, Mama. Did you miss that?
That's going in the video. Anyways, what are we making, Miss Erin?
I'm working with my sous chef, Lily. So we are making apple dumplings. So to make apple dumplings, you will need some apples, preferably picked and in season. And then, depending on how creative you want to be, you can buy store-bought biscuits or pie crust, or you can make your own dough, whatever tickles your fancy. And then you are going to put 3/4 of a stick of butter, a tablespoon of flour, and a teaspoon of cinnamon in here, and that is what you're going to coat the apples with.
Ooh. We are going to get started on that, and then we will come right back and show you how we are doing. Right, Lily? Hello, ma'am. May I order one of your finest appletinis? What the hell is an appletini? I've never had one. No idea? All right. So, either Erin or Miss Shado can tell everybody the process that we just went through to make these lovely dumplings. They're not cooked yet, but we did form them.
So you're gonna preheat the oven to 350, and so we used biscuit dough to put the apple mixture into, and then you pinch it, and then you're going to pop it in the oven for like 13 to 15 minutes.
13 to 15 minutes. Pop it into the oven.
And then the apple goodness will ensue.
All right. Oh, poor Whittles. And we're back with the final view of our lovely sweet apple dumplings. And I get the honors of being the taste tester this time. How dramatic should I go? Hold on. That's pretty fucking good. That's pretty freaking good. No swearing on this platform. Okay. Anyways, that is our apple dish. Like I said, if you would like to join, please do. Food 63 on Facebook. Description. It will be in the link to the page will be in the description. Oh, come here, baby. And thank you to the lovely Miss Erin, who is currently being the camera person, for helping coming up with this idea and helping make it. And of course, Supervisor Shadow. Ta-ta.